Inosuke! Inosuke!
Ooh.
Inosuke!
Inosuke! Inosuke! Inosuke! Inosuke!
Damn, bro, why is this lighting so ass, bro? What the box looks like. These are all the characters. Infinity Castle type shit. Alright, and pick which one. This is our first box. Let's see who we get. Rengoku! Please! Gyu! With the rose petal, bro. Here's his card. Next one. Muichiro, bro. This one?
Let's see what we get up in here. Oh, we got a lot of shit in here. I don't know.
Rengoku. Oh, we got the stone Hashira. This one's cool. This one's lit. Rengoku, please. Tanjiro. Next box. Am, you want to open this box?
Sure.
Treat me like white teeth.
And who do you think this is?
I'm guessing Zenitsu.
You're right.
I'm really like that.
Treat me like white teeth.
Favorite character? What the hell? He got a little bird on his head. Oh, this is my favorite character for sure. Oh! Oh!
Sounds just like.
This guy's hard. Igaro. Look at the huge moon in the back. Oh! Look at all of them back there.
The last one is Inosuke.
Inosuke! Inosuke!
Ooh.
Inosuke!
Inosuke! Inosuke! Inosuke! Inosuke!
This one's hard. That concludes our Demon Slayer box opening.
Aww.
Let me know which one was your guys' favorite. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Say bye, Am.